video, I'll show you how to use Desmos to do linear regression. To do linear regression, the first thing we need is some data. So click on the plus or add button, and then we're going to add a table to put our data in. In Desmos, you don't get to customize the variables, so they're x and y. We'll have to live with that. I'm going to put some data in here. The x values would just be odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13. And then I have corresponding y values that will go along with that. 74, 93, 109, 120, 131, 142, and 157. If you look at the graph, we don't actually see those points, and that's because the scale is too small. We're zoomed in too far. So we'll zoom out until the points appear, and that's acceptable. But we could do even better if we go up to graph settings. So I'll click on graph settings. I'm going to click the x-axis down to -1 so that we can actually see the y-axis. And we don't have any points higher than 13, so I'll make 15 my maximum x value. For the y-axis, again, I'll leave -1 in place so we can see the x-axis. And our highest value is 157, so maybe 160 would be a good place to stop our y-axis. That's a nice scale, and it fits all the points. Now, to do regression, we're going to add another item, and this is going to be an expression. Normally in Desmos, to make an equation for a line, you would type y equals slope times x plus y-intercept. But to do a regression, we do it slightly differently. I'm going to go y underscore 1, and that refers it to the y values in the table. Then I'm going to hit my arrow key over, and then instead of an equal sign, I'm going to put a tilde. That's the little symbol that's just below the escape key on your keyboard. And then m for slope, and then not x, but x underscore 1. Again, I'm going to right arrow key to get out of the subscript, and then plus, and then b. Now it's done our regression analysis. Our r-squared value is 0.99. The slope is 6.5893, and the y-intercept for this best fit line is 71.875.